ounces in there. All right, I'm gonna use Absolute today, just for a quick maintenance. So it's 4 gallons. Probably, I mean, you don't need that many gallons, but I just do it just to refill bottles. I do it to refill, like, you'll see what I'm doing. Okay, so half an ounce per gallon. Doesn't have to be perfect, but this is a cup I use real quick. So I have 4 gallons in here, half an ounce, so we got 2 ounces. Just to make sure that we're here. A lot of things. This one's a little clumpy, it needs to, but overall this has been good to me. Keeps this dilution in there. I'm gonna go with the DIY rinseless sponge and the Rag Company. Soft bristles, safe on the paint, you know, put it in there. So this rinseless is something quick. I like busting out my foam can, to be honest with you, but it's a good, all you want to do, you just want to put this just quick rinseless. Absolute. There's other rinseless washes that have been coming out, and I want to try out, but obviously I still got some of this Absolute, which has been good. But now you got the new one. I mean, you don't have to get on the ladder, just. So what I'm doing is using the rinseless, or whatever rinseless you use, you want to spray it so it could get all that dirt up in the surface. That way when you run your sponge, you're avoiding less risk of scratching. So this method, I like to, I mean, there's different ways of washing your car, but this way I like it, because as long as you maintain your vehicle. Oh, see, there's some bug spots right here. No pressure. Flip it, double. If you feel like you're, I think one side, if it's not too dirty, it'll be fine. Dunk this, see? Put it in there. Now, do the top side. No pressure. I'm gonna flip it to the other side, like Ivan the core. See if it's double, just because this area. You just dunk this. There you go. Right going. See? All that there. Okay. Use the you could even do panel by panel if you wanted to, but since I want to get this baby done. I might as well just do the whole thing. Give it time for the rinse to set in. So, double flip. You don't have to, this is just OCD. No. I'm gonna go with the red cipher. Yeah, I can hear the grit. So just go, no pressure. You want to scratch. I'm not doing anything. I leave the grill last because that's where a lot of bug guts and stuff like that. You just get your own system, follow it. I'm kind of veering off my system, to be honest with you. Trying to see where I could reach since I need one more. Since I'm up here already, flip it over to the other side. Just because it's hard to reach that side. And so this side, I'm gonna do this side. Just because I like to keep everything even. Up and down, no pressure. Let the sponge do the thing. You see the bug guts come right out. That's a rock chip. But you saw how the bug guts came right out? I wish I had my light. I gotta get lighting in here and all the good stuff. My rule of thumb usually, I go pan out of panel. See, it came out. And it helps when you see this is the thing about washing ceramic car vehicles. Thing seems to slide off really good. See, there's the poop. There's the poop. See why I leave this last, because it's the grimiest where it collects on. And these bristles are soft, so then they're not gonna. So do here, I'll just go over the window real quick. Like I said, I keep up with my truck. More likely, I could do more deep clean in certain areas. I know I'm missing some spots, but I'm just trying to do it real quick. You know, this is what happens when you got things to do and you just want a quick detail on somebody, maintenance, I don't know. This is Harbor Freight Town. Straight in. Just give it a little help. Basically all that side is done. I don't want to put too much because I already got ceramic coating. A quick wipe down, no problem. I'm gonna try this wheel cloth. This is why I leave this last. A quick detail. So you could do rinseless. No problem. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 for all 4 wheels. So this one, I got this side. And guess what? It's got bead maker in here. So I just dry it up. I'm gonna leave wheels and I use the gray area. There you go. You want to leave this last. This point. I mean, this is leave these last. That's a clean. That's a clean well, man. It's rinseless, absolute. Slick. It's ceramic coated. I need to touch that. Feels good. I mean, this is a rinseless wash method. This is, I don't have to bust out the foam cannon and all this stuff. Just one bucket. Leave the wheels. This one, I don't really mess until I wash it with the pressure washer. It's got that, I hate that cloth one. I wish it was all. In this situation, I would love that they would have put the plastic one. On those, since I didn't do this too much because I usually foam it, scrub it and all that stuff, but since I know those are all plastic, I do the with the rag company scrub. Leave the grill, leave the tires very last and the wells very last, because it's got gunked up. But look at it, this baby look good now. Rinseless, it's fast, not too much of a hassle, a little work, but yeah, this is how it would look like. So this is how it looks like here. It's right here. Absolute PNS with, there you go, Absolute with Bee Maker. Nice combo, quick wash, just a nice little quick rinseless maintenance. There you, this is Absolute. This is the final results. But Absolute rinseless wash. They say that rinseless washes don't work. They do work, rinseless, but been using them for the past year. Great. It's a great option. I like it. And yeah, if you want a quick maintenance,